Mr. Pressman, here's some news. You can print it if you choose, just to prove the times have changed a lot. Though it may sound strange to you, it is absolutely true. You can believe it or not. Since making whoopee became all the rage, it's even got to the old bird cage. My canary has circles under his eyes. I thought he'd never do anything wrong. Now he does snake hips the whole day long. My canary has circles under his eyes. His only pals are the yellow lark, just a tiny sparrow. But I'm afraid when he's in the park, he leaves us straight and narrow. I've raised this bird in a manner so strict, yet I've a feeling I'm being tricked, 'cause my canary has circles under his eyes.